Welcome to this YouTube video on the current state of AI technology and how it's changing the landscape of online work. In today's world, AI is no longer just a futuristic concept, but a reality that is transforming industries and businesses worldwide. As AI technology continues to evolve, it's important to understand how it can benefit online work and help people achieve their financial goals. In this video, we'll explore the latest advancements in AI technology and how they're being applied to online work, as well as provide insights into the potential opportunities and challenges of incorporating AI into your work. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply curious about the intersection of AI and work, this video is sure to provide valuable information and insights. The rise of AI technology has created many new opportunities for people to work from home and earn money online. Data annotation is one such opportunity, where workers help train AI models by labeling datasets. Machine learning is another field that offers work from home opportunities, as companies need people to create and maintain machine learning algorithms. Natural language processing is a growing field, where workers help machines understand and interpret human language. These are just a few examples of the many work-from-home job opportunities available in the AI industry. In this video will provide an introduction to these fields and how to get started in them. If you want to get noticed by companies that use AI for their operations, there are a few tips you can follow to make your resume stand out. Firstly, tailor your resume to the job description and the company's needs. Highlight your relevant skills, experience, and education in a clear and concise manner. Use keywords and phrases that are specific to the job or industry. Secondly, emphasize your experience with AI-related tools and technologies. This could include programming languages like Python or R, experience with machine learning algorithms, or data analysis skills. Lastly, highlight any relevant certifications or courses you have taken in the field of AI. These tips will help ensure that your resume catches the eye of companies looking for candidates with AI expertise. Setting up an AI-powered online business can be a game-changer for those looking to make money online. One of the best practices is to use chatbots, which can help automate customer service and provide quick and accurate responses to customers. Another best practice is to utilize automated content creation, which can help reduce the time and effort required to create content, and can also help maintain a consistent brand image. Additionally, personalized recommendations can be a powerful tool for increasing customer engagement and driving sales. By using AI algorithms to analyze customer behavior and preferences, businesses can provide customized recommendations that are more likely to result in purchases. It's important to note that setting up an AI-powered online business requires careful planning and execution to ensure that it delivers real value to customers and drives business success. To get started with an AI-powered online business, first, you need to choose the right tools and platforms. There are various AI-powered tools and platforms available that can help you with chatbots, automated content creation, and personalized recommendations. Once you've selected the tools and platforms that best suit your needs, the next step is to create a business plan and marketing strategy. Identify your target audience and create content that appeals to them. You can also use AI to analyze data and help you better understand your audience's preferences and behaviors. Use this information to create personalized recommendations and improve your marketing strategy. Finally, don't forget to track your progress and adjust your strategy accordingly. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up an AI-powered online business from start to finish. Incorporating AI into online businesses has led to several success stories. In this video segment, we will showcase some of these success stories, highlighting how people have leveraged AI technology to create profitable online businesses. We will discuss their business models, the tools and techniques they used, and how they achieved their success. By sharing these stories, we aim to inspire our viewers to think outside the box and explore how they can incorporate AI into their own online businesses to increase efficiency, profitability, and growth. Thank you for watching this video on making money online with AI and work-from-home job opportunities. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers, and we will do our best to respond to all of your comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, Please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this in the future. Thank you again for your support.